Honey Candies. Let's indulge in the golden sweetness of honey candies, where each bite is a taste of pure honey. Here, the process begins with a blend of pure honey and other required ingredients, transformed by super smart rollers into a thick, delightful mixture rolled out consistently and kneaded thoroughly. Just look at that consistency. It is so rich and smooth. These machines continuously knead the candy material without taking a break to make sure it perfectly fits your standards. That little automated machine's foot makes sure that each candy gets the perfect and desired shape and cut. As the candies move through the production line, quality control sensors monitor each piece, checking for consistency in size, shape, and texture. Once the candies have cooled and set, they are transferred to the wrapping machine. This machine wraps bunches of candies in protective packaging, keeping them fresh and preventing them from sticking together. Each pack holds around 9 candies, loved worldwide for their pure taste and eye-catching packaging. The candies are then packaged into boxes using huge packaging machinery. This step prepares the candies for distribution and ready for shipping. Jelly belly candies. Jelly belly candies are true gummy candies that are crispy from the outside, but a mouthful of liquid flavor bursts into your mouth as soon as you munch them. First, they mix the ingredients together in a big machine until it is just right. Once the mix is ready, the machines pour it into molds to shape the candies. It is time for their rest, which is not going to take so long. Once the candies cool down, they are taken out of the molds and spun around in a special machine. This makes sure they are the perfect size, shape, and texture. They make lots of candies this way, so there are tons of flavors to try. With so many different flavors, there is a Jelly Belly for every mood, and you are sure to find one you love. They make sure everyone can enjoy their favorite flavored candy and have a great time eating it. With so many different tastes, from fruity to sweet and everything in between, you will never get bored. They surely turn snacking into a fun journey, where you can discover your new favorite flavor with every bite. Automation in food production. When it comes to comparing super smart machines with human hands, robotic machines take the cake. They do everything super fast, perfectly, and with precision. For example, machines help create thousands of baked crusts to be filled with different sweet and savory sauces. Later, by bakeries and restaurants, loads of fresh meat are brought in and fed into a super fast chopping machine. This machine cuts it all up into equal-sized pieces and packs them neatly into cans. They seal each tin tight with a cover and label, using robotic hands in very little time, creating perfect and smooth dough. Is a challenging task for human hands. However, for a magical machine, shaping it into equal-sized pieces is no big deal. As soon as the dough is ready and balls are prepared, they undergo a smooth waffle-making machine that rolls them up while baking them in the meantime to make. Sure, no additional time is wasted and the result is just hilarious. In today's busy time, sandwiches are considered the perfect meal. Just pair one with a cup of coffee or tea for an easy energy boost. Advanced machinery prepares these sandwiches automatically, taking less time than you can imagine while packing a full energy punch. Different fruit flavors become uniquely delicious when enjoyed in various ways. Transforming amazing juice and fresh fruit flavors into sweet delight candies is a breeze for robotic machines. Advanced machinery ensures these flavors are smooth and their textures consistent, making the taste incredibly delicious and enhanced. Robotic machines cut, shape, and create perfectly equal-sized candies in bulk in the blink of an eye. The candies are moved to be wrapped in beautiful, eye-catching wrappers. Ready to be enjoyed? Watch this video to see how these machines make perfect donut-shaped sponge cakes, which later will be topped and dipped into creamy and rich chocolate. Each donut is uniformly crafted and beautifully finished. To enhance the creamy flavor, a drizzle of chocolate syrup is added on top to make every bite a delightful experience. After finishing, they move on to the next process: the art of sushi. And kimbap sushi production. Here is how sushi goes from a simple idea to the delicious rolls you love. Let's explore the world of sushi, where rice meets seaweed. Every roll tells a story. Let's start with the star of the show: rice. First, workers scoop up high-quality sushi rice and put the stock through sieves to make sure only the best quality grains make it to your plates. Now it is time to soak them in water to get perfectly cooked sushi rice. Here, the rice pots are getting ready, and one-push automation makes everything pretty simple. Large machines cook the rice in big batches, so they need to make sure everything gets in place. The rice is rinsed multiple times until the water runs clear, and they add a little bit of vinegar and oil to cook the rice up to the mark. Letting them settle for a moment, the pots are put over the stoves. These machines use precise temperature controls and timings to ensure the rice is cooked perfectly every time, checking for the right moisture and consistency. The rice is steamed and cooked until it is soft and fluffy, just perfect for sushi rolls. Garnishing with a little bit of oil will help to move the rice smoothly. The rice is gently stirred to make sure every grain gets coated with seasoning so that the flavorful rice sticks together just right. The seasoned rice is then cooled to the perfect temperature for rolling. Let's watch the preparation of the rest of the ingredients. To make thousands of perfect rolls of sushi, with everything ready, now comes the fun part. Assembling the sushi. Rolls. Machines spread the seasoned rice onto the conveyor belt, while workers place the meats and veggies on top of the rice. As it moves on a conveyor belt, from fresh, crisp vegetables to seaweed and other picked ingredients to enhance the flavors. The precise placement of these ingredients is crucial for ensuring that every sushi roll has a balanced flavor and texture. Finally, the rice and filling are rolled up to make the delicious sushi rolls. This is all done with the help of rolling machines, which perfectly roll out the assembled sushi sheets. Just look at those enormous sushi rolls. Workers. Now cover the sushi rolls with seaweed sheets and feed the sushi rolls into the machine that slices the big rolls into bite-sized pieces. The ready-to-eat rolls are now all set to get covered inside special packaging which seals them to keep them fresh. Kimbap production now? Let's set off on a tasty journey of the production of your favorite snack. Kimbap. Workers carefully add a mix of spicy sauces to the freshly cooked rice. This blend of flavors gives the kimbap its unique kick. The rice is stirred with precision to make sure every grain is coated with that zesty, spicy goodness. After the rice gets its spicy makeover, the machines spread it evenly. It is then topped with meat or whatever preferences and other sauces to add crunch and color to each kimbap pack. This is exactly how kimbap gets its crowning triangular shape, which makes them easy to grab and even easier to enjoy. Each piece is carefully cut to make sure it is just the right size for a perfect bite. The neatly cut kimbap pieces are placed into individual packs. Each pack is sealed tightly to keep the kimbap fresh and flavorful. And that is how your favorite kimbap packs come to your plates.